Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to use JM Shipping inside Flawless POS, both in retail and wholesale workflows. This guide assumes you've already integrated JM Shipping from the admin settings. Let's get started with the retail side. Start by heading to the Sales module and check out a product. Once the product is added to the cart, go to the Package section and click Configure Shipment. Enter the destination details for where you like to ship. In this example, we'll use a pre-configured location and click Next to continue. On the next screen, click Add Package. A window will appear asking for shipment details. Cargo, delivery option, packaging, declared value, weight, carrier, and service. For this example, we will try getting quotes for next day and 2-day services from FedEx, USPS, and UPS. Once everything is filled, click Get Quotes Now. The system will automatically contact JM Shipping and fetch quotes based on the selected carrier. Here, you'll see all available rates. Choose the option you prefer, and the selected quote will appear with its pricing in the shipment overview. Now, if there's an issue with a shipping option, the system will alert you immediately. For example, when we selected all 3 carriers for shipping, we received an error saying that morning delivery wasn't available for the USPS Priority Mail Express. The system displayed it as a pop-up dialog and suggested an alternative instead. With this, you will always be guided towards a working option with no guesswork required. Once everything has been finalized, click Create Shipment. After creating the shipment, a window will appear prompting you to choose how to apply the shipping charge to the sale. You can choose to distribute the shipping cost equally among all items if you checked out more than one item, apply the entire shipping charge to the first item, manually distribute the shipping charge. This ensures flexibility whether you are shipping one or several items. Let's now walk through the same process on the wholesale side, which follows mostly the same process on the retail side. Head to the Wholesale module and open an account that requires a shipment. Go to Shipments and click Add Shipment. Fill in the shipping address and select the product. In the Shipment section, click Configure Shipment, enter the insured amount, and click OK. You'll see the same carrier options as on the retail side. Click Get Quotes Now to pull available rates from JM Shipping. Select your preferred option, click Next, review everything, then click Create Shipment to finish. And that's it. With JM Shipping fully integrated into Flawless POS, you can manage retail and wholesale shipments all in one place, quickly, flexibly, and with full control. Thanks for watching.